So how we can add the blank rows in our data? So for that example, uh, just see here. So I'm just adding the some numbers and now some dummy data. So I have filled that some dummy data just for an example here. So now we have our data and the sequence numbers are there. You just copy and paste and select the data and now go for the sort. See that now you have the blank rows. If you want to change the sequence you can, but you can see on the screen there is a blank rows in between our data. Thanks for watching.